Let's talk further about modes. So there are multiple mode operations which would help us decide which mode we should be using. So if we do not specify anything, or if we specify R, it's a default reading mode. It allows us to read the contents from a file. It does not allow us to write, does not allow us to create missing file, or does not overwrite. Of course, we are not writing anything. Then in W mode, it opens the file for writing. If the file does not exist, it automatically creates it. The piece of caution here, if you are writing the data into a file, if it already exists, all the contents will be wiped out first, okay? And then the new contents will be added, which means that whatever you have written, so for example, if I'm maintaining the database of your grades, and if I use the W mode operation, and if I want to append any new data, the previously written contents will be wiped out if I'm using W mode, okay? So you have to be very cautious which mode you're using. But many a times you need to write data with the W mode, because we might need to add multiple files, not the same files. Then we have A mode, which is append mode. So it opens the file for appending. It does not allow us to read. However, it allows us to write. It creates a missing file, and it does not overwrite. As its name suggests, A, append. So it will append the upcoming data, new data, into the existing file at the end. Okay. We also have special plus character, which we can use with R plus W plus modes. So if you are using W plus, it will allow you to read and write the same file. But again, W mode itself overrides the content. So even though it allows you to read, but it will read nothing, because it will first wipe out everything from the file. It will overwrite the file, and then you can read it, which will return nothing. So R plus mode is appropriate because you can read the existing content, and with the help of plus, you can also write the contents back, new contents back into the same file. Make sense?